A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a significant ruling on Wednesday, U.S. District Judge James Boasberg found probable cause to hold senior Trump officials in criminal contempt for violating a temporary injunction against the deportation of alleged Venezuelan gang members under the Alien Enemies Act. The judge's opinion, spanning 46 pages, criticized the administration for its apparent disregard for the court's order and warned of potential legal ramifications if compliance is not achieved. The ruling underscores a growing tension between the judiciary and the executive branch, particularly concerning the interpretation and execution of immigration laws. Judge Boasberg's injunction, issued last month, aimed to protect individuals from being deported without due process. However, the Trump administration proceeded to deport several individuals to El Salvador, prompting the judge to take action. In his opinion, Boasberg expressed skepticism about the government's excuses for not recalling planes that had already departed, highlighting the administration's failure to adhere to the court's directives. The judge noted that the administration's argument that the planes had left U.S. airspace and thus fell outside his jurisdiction was unconvincing. He emphasized that courts have the authority to regulate executive conduct abroad, particularly when it pertains to national security matters. Boasberg's ruling comes on the heels of another federal judge's decision requiring the administration to provide details about its deportation practices in a separate case involving the wrongful deportation of an individual to El Salvador. This sequence of events reflects a broader effort by the federal judiciary to hold the administration accountable for its actions, especially in light of allegations of flouting court orders. The Trump administration's reliance on the Alien Enemies Act of 1798 to target alleged gang members has raised significant legal and ethical questions, particularly regarding due process rights. The judge's warning of possible contempt proceedings represents a critical juncture in the ongoing legal battles surrounding immigration policy and executive authority. As the situation unfolds, the administration faces mounting pressure to comply with judicial orders or risk further legal consequences. The White House has indicated plans to appeal the ruling, asserting its commitment to national security and the deportation of individuals deemed threats. The administration must now navigate the complexities of the legal system while addressing the concerns raised by the judiciary regarding its deportation practices. The implications of this ruling extend beyond the immediate case, potentially setting precedents for future interactions between the executive and judicial branches. As the legal landscape evolves, the ongoing discourse surrounding immigration policy and executive power will remain at the forefront of national conversation. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.